Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the Upwork talent for beginners. So how to use Upwork talent. So especially for beginners, especially on a freelancer, okay? So Upwork is one of the leading online freelancing platforms, so offering a space where clients can hire freelancers from various fields and freelancers can find projects and clients. So the platform usually it's from its origins as Ellens and Odasks. Those are two main online platforms as well where people used to go to back then. So two pioneering freelancing website into a comprehensive solution to for basically remote work and freelance employment. Now let's talk about account creation. Okay, so when you create an account, make sure that your profile is very well provisioned. Okay, you'll need to provide your email address, create a password, and also fill in basic personal details. You may also need to verify your identity with additional documentation. And once this, you'll create a profile showcasing your skills and experience and basically expertise as well. So this includes uploading a professional photo, writing a compelling headline, and creating a detailed summary of your work skills and experience. You also need to specify your hourly rate. So your hourly rate basically is everything here because this is where you get paid. So hourly rate to project fees and list basically relevant skills. And now let's talk about clients. Clients can sign up by providing their email and payment information, and the process is relatively straightforward, requiring basic business information and payment details. Clients will need to complete their profile also by providing information about their business and how they how they plan to use Upwork. So this helps in building trust basically and attracting suitable freelancers especially. And in freelancers basically in after logging in, you're basically reported back to the dashboard here where you can see job invitations, current proposals, and active contracts. So the dashboard also features sections for earning reports and Upwork connects. Okay, now when you're trying to find work or hiring someone, so freelancers can search for jobs by category, skill, or keyword. So the platform provides filter to narrow down result-based factors such as job type, budget, and client history. Okay, so it's also on par with job alerts. So the job alerts, to receive notifications about new posting that matches your skills and interests. This ensures you don't miss out on opportunities. Okay, that's basically a job alert. And when applying for a job, freelancers submit a proposal, okay, outlining why they are the right fit for the project. And a strong proposal includes personalization and introduction, a detailed approach to the project, and clear understanding of the client's needs. So especially the connects as well. So applying for jobs requires Upwork Connects, a form of internal currency. Freelancers receive a set of number of connects monthly and can purchase additional ones basically using connects. Okay, so use them wisely, for it's very crucial for managing costs and maximizing your chances of securing projects basically. So decide whether you want a fixed price or an hourly rate. So fixed price contracts are basically ideal for well-defined projects with clear deliverables, while hourly contracts are suitable for ongoing work or projects involving requirements. Okay, especially if you are a customer, finding freelancers is really easy. So you use the search function to find freelancers based on skills, experience, and just talk about the ratings. Filters help narrow down candidates who best suit your match for doing your project requirements. And that's just it, basically. Especially when we talk about the contracts and payments. So, for fixed price contracts, you set up milestones that define specific phases of the project. Payments are made up upon completion of each milestone. So you deposit the total contract amount into escrow, which Upwork holds until you basically approve the work for each milestone. Okay, especially on hourly contracts, so time tracking, freelancers use Upwork's time tracker tool basically to log hours worked. The tool takes periodic screenshots and basically records activity levels to ensure transparency payments for hourly contracts. Basically. And that's basically what it does. Fixed price protection. So Upwork's fixed price protection ensures that funds for completed milestones are available in escrow before the work begins, basically. So this reduces the risks of non-payment and also hourly protection. So for hourly contract, Upwork's payment protection ensures that freelancers are paid for hours tracked. So that is why the tool is very important. So freelancers use Upwork's time tracker, basically. So it's a fixed price protection. So to ensure that milestones are available in escrow before any work begins, again, reduces risk of non-payment. Now, when we talk about service fee, that's just it. All you have to do is find your freelancer if you're a customer, or apply for a job if you are a freelancer. So that's just it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. And I hope I've covered this all up for you guys. So you guys enjoy your day. Have a nice day, guys.